All right, here's a comparison video of the Mishimoto Air oil separator catch can and the eBay version. We have two of the eBay versions here and one of the real Mishimotos. This thing's $129.
That's like 120 something.
Yeah, and this was $16.34 off eBay.
I think that one was about 15 or 16 bucks.
This one's about 15. They're same design. But comparing the eBay one to the Mishimoto, I mean,
the ports are exact same. They're all 3/8 threads.
yeah. And I think they look identical on the inside. I mean, you got your little baffle, your screen, and then the oil separator, which drips down. And of course, this is just empty. And they have the same plug in the bottom. Well, there's no other parts really in this thing. There's no valves or anything in the top. They're just open to air after it passes that separator. And this is a three port, but it's like I said,
2 in, 1 out.
Yeah, 2 in, 1 out. This is for the Reaper truck.
Exact same baffle, everything.
Yeah, exactly the same. This one just has another port added. That's what that is. I mean, we haven't ran them to give you a performance difference, but I'm sure this being just a mechanical part, it just can't fail pretty much unless there's like a leak. But I mean, $16, $20, or $120.
I don't know about y'all, but I like money.
Yeah.